Lollapalooza feels pa rin or effect? Spotted nga ang dalawang casuals na nag-usap sa nasabi nga pong performance ng SB19 na nasaksihan nila. Say ng isa, OMG, only SB19 got full marks. Sumagot naman ang isa at sinabing, haha, I could not find a single fault in their set. They did pretty much every song I was dying to see. All looked and sounded fantastic. I hope to see them again. Random update nga po tayo, nakakatuwa din ang ipinost na ito ng isang fan at ayon sa kanya, ang galing lang yung outfit nila nung was. Iba lang yung kulay pero yung details ganun pa din ngayong was. Ang galing. Paliwanag naman ng ilang fans because yan po ay Napoleon jacket. So yan po ay part ng trend, Napoleon jacket. Samantala, spotted naman natin mula sa SB19 Fanatics USA chapter. Meron po siyang sinabi at ayon sa kanya, we don't sugarcoat, we don't fake it, we don't stay quiet when something's wrong. That's what make 18 who we are. But SB19, that's where we unleash everything. Full blast, no hesitation, no holding back, the most passionate fans, not because we say it, but because we show it every single time. Show and do. Yan po ang 18. Narito pa ang naging say ng isang 18 na mula kay Kristen Sanoy Pechoco. 18 reminder, Ania, if you're one of the 18 who commented negatively on SB19's official post because you're understandably upset about the way SB19 and 18 have been treated by some accounts over the years, please consider deleting those comments. We know the story. We know the disrespect, the troll accounts, the personal attacks, and the things that have been allowed to happen to SB19 and 18. Your frustration is valid, but please let's not bring that frustration to SB19's own comment section. Once we engage negatively on their official account, screenshots can easily be taken out of context, and suddenly 18 becomes the villain instead of the people who have been provoking and disrespecting us. We don't have to defend ourselves in every comment section. We don't have to respond to every provocation. And we definitely don't need to give anyone material that can be used against SB19. Let SB19's official space remain a positive space for SB19. If you already commented out of frustration, there's nothing wrong with simply deleting it and moving on. No need to explain, no need to fight. We can be hurt, disappointed, and aware of the story without or the history without giving negativity a place on SB19's own page. Let's protect the boys and the fandom's image. Mute, block, report when necessary. Move on, hindi lahat kailangang patulan. Anyway, ang sinasabi po nila is may mga fan base na talaga namang medyo nagsasalita ng hindi maganda sa SB19. Pero ang panawagan nga nila, especially kung mag-comment doon sa page mismo ng SB19 officials, wag na wag gagawin at protektahan nga ang image na napakaganda ng SB19. Yan po ang pakiusap ng 18 kung may naririnig na hindi magandang salita about sa iba tungkol sa SB19 at sa 18, i-delete na lang, mag-move on at wag nang patulan. At iyan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.